Good morning, students. Today we will start the numerical portions of this chapter, chapter number 8. So today we will start the numerical of the chapter 8. This is the last part of this chapter. Fine. So just question number 1 is given. Calculate multiplier if MPC is 0.7 and 0.9. That is the two aspect. Right. So first, what is given to you? MPC. So first solution, that is the answer of the first. MPC equal to 0.75. Clear? MPC is equal to 0.75. And what is the formula of K? Multiplier, it means K. 1 upon 1 minus MPC. So it's become 1 minus 0.75. So equal to 1 upon 0.25. So just put the decimal here. Decimal के बाद 2 का डिजिट है तो हमने 2 ऊपर ले लिया. 1 into 100 upon 25. 25 goes up. So it means 4. So your answer should be the K equal to 4 times. This is your answer. Clear? Now the second, again the MPC is given to you. So MPC equal to 0.90. Clear? Now what is again the formula? K equal to 1 minus MPC. So 1 upon 1 minus 0.90. It should be the 0.10. Clear? Now 100 upon 10. It means 1 into 100 upon 10. Decimal के बाद 2 डिजिट है तो हमने 100 ऊपर ले लिया है. Now 0 cut. So your MPC equal to K equal to 10 times. Is it? Sure. Now the next question, focus on this only. Calculate the value of multiplier. It means again you just calculate the value of K. If the MPS, now the MPC is not given to you. MPS is given to you. So when the MPS is given to you, what is the formula? 1 upon MPS. Okay? 1 upon MPS. So in the first, MPS equal to 0.40, it is given. So now use this formula. 1 upon MPS equal to 1 upon 0.40. It means 1 into 100 upon 40, 0, 2 2s are 2 5s are, then 2 divided by 5. It means 2 2s are 4, 1 to 2.5. So it becomes 2.5 times. Clear? So your K, your multiplier fits 2.5 times. Now, next is B. In the question number B, see the carefully, equal to MPC. What is equal to MPC? It means in this sum, MPS is given to you. So MPS is equal to MPC. So as you know, MPC plus MPS equal to 1. So if the equal to MPC, it means MPS equal to 0.50. है ना? ये 0.50 plus 0.50 equal to 1. Clear? So दोनों अगर इक्वल है और दोनों का आंसर अगर 1 होता है, it means MPS equal to 0.50. So 1 upon K equal to 1 upon MPS equal to 1 upon 0.50 equal to 1 into 100 upon 50, 5 to 1. So it means the your K is 2 times. Clear? This is all about the MPC and MPS. With the help of the MPC and MPS, we just find out the value of multiplier. Listen students, हर चीज के अपने अपने अलग अलग फॉर्मूलाज है. K इक्वल टू 1 upon 1 minus MPC भी होता है, यहाँ हमने देखा. MPS भी होता है. So whatever data is given to you, according that you just put the formula according the given data in the questions. Now the next question. In an economy, income generated in the 4 times. 4 times it means that is your K. Clear? Income generated. A, what is the money multiplier? When how many times we are generated our income. So that is K equal to given to you. It is 4 times. The increase in investment expenditure, 4 times the increase in investment expenditure. Calculate the MPC and MPS. So first we have to clear that what we have to find out. An increase in income is the 4 times of the increase in investment. So first we just find out the value of K. You use the K formula, 1 minus MPC. Okay? So this is 4, 1 minus MPC. So what we have to do first? Find out the value of MPC. So just cross multiply 4 into 1 minus MPC equal to 1. So 4 minus 4 MPC equal to 1. So 4 MPC equal to 1 minus 4. So minus 4 MPC equal to minus 3. So minus minus cut. Now 4 MPC equal to 3. So MPC equal to 3 upon 4. It should be the MPC equal to 0.75. Clear? MPC equal to 0.75. Now we have to find out the MPC. So we just find out the MPC equal to 0.75. And what is MPS? So MPS equal to 1 minus MPC. Why? Because MPC plus MPS equal to 1. So we use this formula. So MPS equal to 1 minus 0.75. So MPS equal to 0.25. This is our true answer. Clear? Now the next sum. In an economy, the MPC equal to 0.8 and the investment increased by rupees 1,000. First we just find out the money multiplier, because K equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC, and MPC is given to you. So K equal to 1 upon 1 minus 0.8. So K equal to 1 upon 0.2. So K equal to 1 into 10 upon 2. So 2 5s are. K equal to how many times? 5 times. Clear beta? K equal to 5 times. Now the question is that investment increased by rupees 1,000 crore. Investment increase, it means your delta I is given to you. So investment increased by rupees 1,000 crore. So it means your delta I is given to you people. Now calculate the total income increase. It means you have to find out the delta Y. Change in income. इनकम में कितना इंक्रीज हुआ है वो आपको निकालना है. Now another formula of K equal to delta Y upon delta I. As you know people, K having the 3 or 4 formulas, है ना? Delta, change in delta Y income and change in income and change in investment expenditure. This is the one of the formula of K also. Now you have the value of K 5. Delta Y you don't know the delta Y, and delta I you know 1,000. So just cross multiply delta Y equal to 5 into 1,000. Clear? So it should be delta Y equal to 5,000. So rupees in crores. So what is the change? You have just find out the calculate the total increase in income. Now how much total income increased by rupees 5,000 crore. Clear? Now the next sum. In an economy, MPC equal to 0.75. So first you just find out the K. So K equal to 1 minus MPC. So K equal to 1 upon 1 minus 0.75. K equal to 1 upon 0.25. So K equal to 1 into 100 upon 25. To 25 4s are. So K equal to 4 times. Clear? This is your case. Now, if delta I equal to 500 crore, calculate the total increase in income. Previously भी हमने इसको किया है अभी previous sum में. So K equal to delta Y upon delta I. So So what is K? K is given to you 4 times. So 4 equal to delta y we don't know, and this is 500. So delta y equal to 4 into 500. So delta y equal to rupees 2000 in crore. देखो बेटा 500 into 4 that is the 2000. It means हमेशा हम लोग बोलते हैं इनकम हम लोग कितनी बार मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इन्वेस्टमेंट, तो इनकम आएगा तो 4 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे so 2000 आएगा, और 2000 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 करेंगे तो 500 आएगा. That is the logic. Now the next question is calculate consumption expenditure also. So we need the change in the increase in income and consumption expenditure. It means we just find out the increase in consumption expenditure also. So what is the another formula of A? No, that is the MPC we know now. So use MPC. MPC equal to delta C upon delta Y. You know what is MPC? 0.75. Clear? Now delta C. What is delta C? We don't know. Delta Y, we get the delta Y 2000. Now cross multiplication 0.75 into 2000 equal to delta C. So 75 upon 100 into 2000 equal to delta C. So 0, 0, 150, and so delta C equal to rupees 1500 crore. Clear? Delta C it becomes the 1500 crore, 1500 crores. Now next, clear I think so. First just find out the K, and with the help of the K you just find out the delta Y, and we need delta C also. So what is the formula of MPC? Delta C upon delta Y. So with the help of the MPC is given to you, delta Y is given to you, so now you just find out the delta C. Now the focus in the next sum term. See the what is the given to you. In an economy, an increase in investment leads to increase in national income, which is 3 times. ठीक है? Which is 3 times more than the increase in investment. Calculate the marginal propensity to consume. It makes marginal propensity to consume. It means MPC. You just find out the MPC. अब पहले तो फोकस करो कि आपको इसमें कोई भी डेटा स्टैटिस्टिकल फॉर्म में नहीं दिया होता है. लेट जस्ट अज्यूम, मैथ्स में कर रहे थे ना 10 तक, अब भी कोई करना है. लेट्स जस्ट अज्यूम लेट्स द इंक्रीज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट, है ना. तो लेट अज्यूम दैट इंक्रीज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट इक्वल टू क्या होता है? डेल्टा आई. नाउ व्हाट इज द प्योर क्वेश्चन? Increase in investment leads to increase in national income, which is 3 times more than the increase in investment. So increase in investment कितना हो जाएगा? इनकम कितना हो जाएगा? Increase in income. ध्यान से देखो, leads to increase in national income, which is 3 times. वो not only 3 times. अगर 3 times होता तो हम लोग लिख देते 3 डेल्टा आई, है. बट यहाँ लिखा है 3 टाइम्स मोर देन द इंक्रीज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट. मतलब इंक्रीज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट जितना है उसके अलावा और 3 टाइम्स. तो यहाँ प्लस डेल्टा आई और होगा. सो इट शुड बी द डेल्टा आई प्लस 3 डेल्टा. 3 टाइम्स तो है, बट उसके साथ साथ क्या है बेटा? जितना है इन्वेस्टमेंट उससे 3 टाइम्स और है. क्लियर? सो इट इज योर द फॉर्मूला दैट यू जस्ट यूज योर brain here. So what is the formula of K? Delta Y upon delta I. What is delta Y? Increase in income. So this is your delta Y. Now put the value in the sum. Chalo. If we are putting the value in the sum, what is the value? K is given to you. K is given to you. National income becomes the delta 4I. Clear? This is your final. This is the solution of this. Delta 4I. K is given to you. In an economic, in increase in investment leads to the increase in national income, which is 3 times more than the increase in investment. Clear? So just find out the K first. So what is K? Delta Y upon delta I. What is delta Y? Delta 4I upon delta I. 4 delta I upon delta I. Clear? So delta is there. Now 4. So K equal to 4 times. Sure. K तो मिल गया. With the help of the K, which formula we can use? Just find out the MPC. With the help of the K, we just find out the MPC. So MPC, no, first K equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. Now what is K? 4 equal to 1, 1 minus MPC. Just cross multiplication, 1 minus MPC equal to 1. So 4 minus 4 MPC equal to 1. So 4 MPC equal to minus 3. So MPC becomes 0.75. ठीक है? MPC is your 0.75 is your MPC. Clear? Now, what we want? We want MPC here? No. What is the calculation? MPC. MPC तो मिल गया. Clear? So what we find out that increase in the investment and calculate the MPC. हमने 4 times increase पता करा बेटा K it is and MPC we just find out the MPC. That is the question only. Clear? I hope you can understand about the जो भी data दिए हैं according to the data just find out the values. According to data you just put the formula also. Please be careful regarding these formulas also because these all chapters are interrelated. When we are, if it is given to you, this is equilibrium point, so you know AD equal to AS always, Y equal to C plus I, S equal to I always. यहाँ saving दिया हुआ है, investment नहीं दिया हुआ है, but we need the investment. It means at the equilibrium level S equal to I. Whatever saving is there, that much income, investment is also there if the equilibrium level is given. Clear beta? I hope you can understand about this. In the next video, I just upload the notes of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.